How to use probiotics for septic tanks. Solid degradation. Septic tanks depend on bacteria to naturally break down waste. Over time, solids build up and can cause clogs, odors, or drain field failure. Probiotics offer a simple way to improve septic tank solid degradation and keep the system functioning efficiently. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Why use probiotics? Probiotics restore healthy bacteria inside the tank. Everyday cleaners, soaps, and medications often weaken natural microbes. Adding probiotics strengthens this balance and speeds up solid breakdown. 2. Types of probiotic products. Probiotics are sold as liquids, powders, or tablets. Liquids spread quickly for faster results. Powders and tablets release bacteria more slowly, making them suitable for steady, long-term action. 3. How to apply them. The simplest method is flushing probiotics down the toilet. Many homeowners apply them monthly or quarterly. Regular use ensures the bacteria stay active and effective. 4. Benefits for solid breakdown. Probiotics help digest oils, grease, and organic waste. They prevent sludge from hardening at the bottom and scum from floating on top. This improves waste flow and reduces pressure on the drain field. 5. Best practices. Limit bleach and strong chemicals that harm bacteria. Use water wisely to avoid overloading the tank. Combine probiotics with routine inspections and pumping. 6. Cost savings. Probiotics do not replace pumping but slow down solid buildup. This extends the time between services and saves money in the long run. Probiotics are a practical tool for septic tanks' solid degradation. By supporting natural bacteria, they protect the tank, reduce maintenance issues, and help the entire system last longer. A small routine of probiotic use can prevent large repair costs and keep your septic system running smoothly. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.